Oh dear. Good morning. I'm Bill and I'll be your docent at the Mini Art Gallery today. Look at this mess. Well, yesterday I wanted to show a print that is part of my artist script project. And here it is. It's called School of Wave Squares. It was a subject of interest recently in valuation of an art collector's work, and it turns out the print is worth between $800 and $900, and apparently I only have 3. So these will be subject to the artist script project that I'm working on. These other prints are also subject for artist script. Well, I better get busy and put these things away.